to Hawaii might feel like stepping into a dream, but today I want to share what it's really like to trade the tourist mindset for a kama'aina lifestyle. This is about the deeper, everyday reality of living in the islands. If you're new here, my name's Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu. On this channel, we talk about real estate strategies to help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. Many people imagine Hawaii as a 24/7 vacation, but living here means experiencing the good, the challenging, and the in-between moments. For example, you'll quickly learn that while Waikiki is a tourist hotspot filled with hotels, high-end shopping, and nightlife, locals often prefer places like Aloha Beach Park for family outings or a quiet morning paddle. Adjusting means understanding and respecting these spaces. Tip number 1. Respect the aina, or land. Living here, you'll see firsthand the effects of over-tourism. Beaches eroded from heavy foot traffic, coral reefs damaged by sunscreen, and sacred places sometimes treated like tourist attractions. Respecting the land isn't just a guideline, it's a responsibility. Small things like joining local beach cleanups can make a big difference. For example, organizations like Sustainable Coastlines Hawaii host community events to restore the shoreline, which is also a great way to meet people and contribute to the community. Tip number 2. Adjusting to island convenience. Hawaii is different. Some items you're used to on the mainland might be more expensive or harder to find altogether, but that's where the beauty lies. You learn to prioritize what truly matters. Instead of shopping for imported goods, you might visit a local farmers market for fresh fruits, veggies, and seafood. For example, the KCC Farmers Market offers farm-fresh papayas, organic honey, and locally caught fish that elevate home-cooked meals. Not only is it healthier and more delicious, but it also supports local businesses and reduces your environmental footprint. Tip number 3. Embrace the slower pace of life. Island life runs on Hawaiian time, and that's not just a saying, it's a mindset. When I first moved here, I had to unlearn the hustle culture I grew up with. People here prioritize relationships over rushing to the next task. A quick example. On the mainland, if someone lets you into their lane while driving, it's rare. But here, it's expected. Throw a shaka to say thanks. It's these small gestures that reflect the spirit of aloha. Life in Hawaii also revolves around nature's rhythms. Sunrise hikes at Makapu'u or sunset swims at Magic Island become part of your routine. The tides, seasons, and even the daily pace of the sun influence how you plan your day. Let go of the need to rush and instead align yourself with the rhythm of the islands. Here, people value time spent with family, connecting with nature, and just being present. Living in Hawaii encourages mindfulness. It's not just about being active, it's about grounding yourself in the moment. Shift your focus to meaningful connections and experiences. Tip number 4. Invest in community. Hawaii is all about ohana, or family, and community. Becoming part of it requires effort and humility. A great way to connect is by participating in cultural traditions like a hula festival or volunteering for local causes. For example, joining a community canoe paddling club or Malama Aina, Care for the Land group is a fantastic way to meet people and understand the culture on a deeper level. When you show a willingness to learn, people here welcome you with open arms. Tip number 5. Be prepared for challenges. It's not all rainbows and waterfalls. Life here has its challenges. Traffic in Honolulu can be frustrating. The cost of living is among the highest in the US, and some services, like specialized healthcare, may be limited. But these challenges teach you resilience. For example, I've learned to batch my errands to avoid rush hour, and I've discovered local hacks like shopping at farmers markets or wholesale clubs like Costco to save money. Traffic patterns are predictable once you understand them, so structuring your day around avoiding bottlenecks becomes second nature. Tip number 6. Spend more time outdoors. The outdoors aren't just for tourists. It's a vital part of island life. Whether it's a sunrise hike up Diamond Head, snorkeling at Hanauma Bay, or simply a sunset picnic at Kapiolani Park, nature here has a way of grounding you. Spending time outdoors helps you adjust to the island lifestyle and appreciate its beauty. Tip number 7. Be mindful of cultural differences. Hawaii is a melting pot of cultures, each with its own traditions, values, and etiquette. Understanding and respecting these differences is essential for building strong relationships and avoiding misunderstandings. For instance, in Hawaii, it's customary to remove your shoes before entering someone's home as a sign of respect. Small gestures like this go a long way. Another key aspect is understanding aloha aina, or love and respect for the land. This value is deeply rooted in Hawaiian culture and it's reflected in practices like not taking rocks or sand from sacred places or being cautious about where you tread when hiking. By being open to learning and practicing cultural sensitivity, you'll not only avoid stepping on toes, but also gain a deeper appreciation for what makes Hawaii so special. If you're thinking about making the move, here's what I recommend. Stay long enough to test the waters. A month or two can reveal things a week-long trip won't. Prioritize relationships. Talk to locals, ask questions, and listen to their advice. Be open to change. Let go of what you think you know and embrace the new. A simple mahalo or aloha goes a long way. It shows respect and helps build connections. Living in Hawaii gives you moments that take your breath away, not just because of the scenery, but because of the lifestyle. It's those quiet, unplanned moments, like sharing a meal after a hike or hearing a story from a kupuna, that truly make island life magical. So, if you're dreaming about calling Hawaii home, I hope this gives you a clearer picture of what to expect. It's not about recreating your vacation, it's about building life that's uniquely yours. Mahalo for joining me, and if you made the leap or are considering it, drop your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. I'm always looking for new video ideas, so let me know in the comments below if you have a real estate question or a specific neighborhood on Oahu that you want to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.